Okay, hello everybody. Welcome back to this fourth video about how to withdraw from Watermine. So as soon as you start getting your daily payment or weekly payments, or you get paid daily, so you can choose to withdraw your money every week or every month or every 2 weeks, or leave your money in Watermine for as long as you want till the end of the contract for 90 days. It all depends on you. But I'm just going to be showing you how to withdraw your money from Watermine back into your Bitcoin wallet. So for the purpose of this video, if you remember from my last video, I mentioned that I would usually advise newbies into the cryptocurrency investment world to start with maybe Luno Bitcoin wallet, which is simple to understand. So this is from Luno, so you can get it from your app store, Luno, your Luno wallet. So if you activate, you register, you make sure that you are completely signed out. They will conduct an ID verification and all that. Once you're being accepted and it's opened, it's your digital bank where you transfer money from to your Watermine and from your Watermine into this. So you move money back into your local bank from this Luno straight back into your GBP account, like Halifax or HSBC or whichever one. So how do you initiate a withdrawal from your Watermine? So for example, just for the sake of the video, I'm just going to show you guys. This is my account activity. As you can see, I started with 2,500 plan, which is the highest plan. And that was on the 5th of Feb. So this was on the 5th of Feb and this is 2,500. But if you look at the total I have earned, is 2,603, which tells you that I have passed my 6th week, I think. Yeah, over 5 weeks now, because from my calculation, you get your capital back after 5 weeks and few days. So I've passed the 5 weeks and few days mark, so I've gotten my capital back. But if you look at this side, which is the most interesting one, you can tell that even though my deposit was 2,500, I have withdrawn a total of $6,017. So why have I withdrawn that much more than I actually deposited? The only secret is from referrals. So do your homework, make sure that you refer a lot of people, keep inviting people to join Watermine and bring them on board. The more people we get on Watermine, the more sustainable it is, and the more you're helping people to be financially free, which is the main reason why this platform has been created. And this is the reason why I'm doing this video, to help as many people who need that little boost financially. So if you look at my referrals, just going to quickly show you. So this I have referred a total of 7 people. 5 of them have initiated a deposit, which is who have already started earning money, and 2 of them are still contemplating, thinking, oh, what if it's a scam or all that. And I don't blame them, but everything in life is just a risk. The only regret you have is not trying. So for me, I wouldn't want to have that regret. So I tried it, tested it and tried it, and it works. So if you look at how much I've received in total for referral, is over $3,000. So on just referrals, I've received over $3,000 from these 7 people who have brought other people. So apart from these 7 people, from those they have referred as well, the accumulation that I've gotten from all of them is 3,413. So that's not the main bone of contention, because this looks very inviting and some of you find it interesting, but we're going to be talking about withdrawal. So how do you withdraw your funds from Watermine? So first thing you need to do is to make sure you have linked your Bitcoin wallet, which is your Luno wallet, to your Watermine, because obviously you need to link both of them to be able to withdraw into Luno. So withdraw your money from Watermine into Luno. So what you do is you go into your Luno wallet. So I would like you to pay attention because they're very straightforward, but you can get it mixed up. So go into your Luno wallet, and I'll advise you do it on your mobile phones, because you'll be able to, it will be a lot easier for you to just copy and paste. So go into your Luno wallet, click wallets, you find GBP, Bitcoins, Ethereum, different types of wallets. But because I'm only investing in Bitcoins, so I'm only using this Bitcoin wallet at the moment. So what you do is you click on Bitcoins, because That's what you're investing in Watermine Bitcoins. That's the coin you're investing, that the cryptocurrency you're investing. So you come down to more, then you click on receive. So that means you're trying to create a wallet to receive money from Watermine. Click on receive, and then because I use this for different stuffs, different wallets. So for yours, you're only going to have an option to create a new address. So you click on create a new address, and then you can label it as Watermine, return Watermine fund, or whatever. Something that will let you know that, okay, this is the wallet you're using to get money from Watermine. You can use it as well to get money from other people, but just for the sake of not confusing yourself, you can just, give it a good label. And after you've done that, it shows you this QR code and then the address at the bottom. So what you do is you click on this copy. So as soon as you click it, it will be copied to your clipboard, and then you're done with Luno. You go back to your Watermine, and when you get to Watermine, you click on your settings. So once you click on your settings, it shows you all your cryptocurrencies right here, and all the processors, Perfect Money, Payer, Bitcoin, and all that. So what you do is you paste that wallet into this space for Bitcoin, because you're pasting it here to tell Watermine to send all your money, your funds from Watermine into this address, which is your Luno address. So it lands in your Luno address, and then you click change account data. So as soon as you click change account data, that's done. So when you're ready to withdraw money, all you need to do is go to withdraw. So you've set up your account to withdraw, and then by the time you scroll, you find out that on Bitcoin here, you've got your wallet attached to it. So what you need to do is, as soon as you have money available in your wallet, I've withdrawn what I had this morning already, so I'd have actually done a proper withdrawal before doing this video. So you activate your Bitcoin. There'll be a small circle here. You click on it, you activate your Bitcoin, and then you scroll down, and then you type in the amount you're withdrawing, and you click withdraw. Straight goes into your Luno. After a few minutes, you come back to your Luno, check your Bitcoin wallet, you find your money sitting right there in Bitcoins. So that's how it works when you're withdrawing from Watermine into your Luno Bitcoin wallet. So very quickly, I think I'll just add moving money from your Bitcoins back into your bank account. So you just reverse the process. So what you do is, before you can move money into your account, you must establish a link between this account and your local bank account. So what you do is, first of all, you click this GB, click deposit, you put in the amount you want to deposit, you click next, and then it gives you the information to go and pay into. So you take this information, you go into your local bank account, you pay into it, make sure the reference is correct, you pay this amount into it, and as soon as you pay this amount into it, you come back later on, you find out that the money, and it's just free, there's no charge. So it comes in directly into this GBP from your bank. So, and as soon as that is done, the most important thing is it automatically saves your bank account to this Luno wallet. So which means when you're ready to send back money that you've made from Watermine back into your own bank account, so let's say this Luno is your bank account, this is GB inside Luno, this is the one you receive money from Watermine with. So now you've gotten money back from Watermine into these Bitcoins, you need to move it in here to GBP and then in here to your bank account. So let's say this is your Halifax. So you move money from Bitcoins into your GBP wallet, your local currency, and then you move it back into your bank account. So Halifax. So for example, I'm ready to move money. What I do is I click on Bitcoins, sell. So it will ask you to choose the currency you want to sell. So you choose, so you want to sell for, so you choose GBP because you're selling into your GBP wallet. You choose GBP wallet, and then you click maximum. So once you click maximum, it means everything in your Bitcoin wallet will go straight into your GBP wallet. So because I'm not ready to do that, obviously I'm not going to click next. So going back, so once that is done, you go back, the money is already in your GB wallet right here. So once you get to your GB wallet, you click on your GB wallet. Then you're ready to initiate a transfer back into your Halifax, HSBC, NatWest, or whichever one. You just click withdraw. You see, account already saved because I have sent money from this account to my Luno before. So you need to initiate that initial deposit, even if it's just £10 or so. You need to credit your Luno, and then you can always pull it back again, no fees. So that it can automatically save your account. So once it does that, you click on it, click maximum, because it's 0, that's why it's giving me 0, obviously. So click maximum. So you see it's telling you that it's going back to my HSBC. You click maximum, and then next, boom, your money is back into your bank account, and everybody's happy. So yeah, guys, that's how to initiate withdrawals and sending money back into your local bank account from Watermine. So that is it about Watermine, withdrawing from Watermine, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna drop my link in this in the comment section below on each of the videos, so you can click on that link and get registered immediately. And the benefit is, if you have any challenges or any problems, you can always reach out to me, send me a message and all that, and I'll be able to get some clarification or put you through if you're struggling with anything. So get joining, guys, and I'll be very glad to have you guys on board, and let's just, spread the love. Let's spread the love. It's 2021. We've been through a very turbulent 2020. So I hope this will put a smile on somebody's face. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, if you have watched to the end, and see you again when I drop more videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Mystery Man speaking. Bye.